Editorial Carturi. Ikalawang pwesto ay nakamit ni Kea Jean B. Lumibaw ng Central 1 Elementary School, San Carlos City. Tagapayo, Fidela Tamundong. Pagsulat ng Agham at Teknolohiya. Ikalawang pwesto ay nakamit ni Daphne Gay M. Bautista ng Central 1 Elementary School, San Carlos City. Daphne Gay M. Bautista, ang kanyang advisor ay si Rafi de la Cruz. Ang school ay Central 1 Elementary School, San Carlos City.
Guess we believe it. Look who we are.